You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce the name of the second and current leader of the Church of Scientology at the time of recording this video. English pronunciation. How to pronounce David, you knew that, David Miscavige, Miscavige, David Miscavige. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.